Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is take the two wires from my electronic ignition, and these wires go and attach to the coil. But look at this, they're like super long, they don't have any endings, and they came with these two things here. And the thing is, normally the coil would actually be up here, you know, on the shroud, and you would need a longer wire to get to it. So the thing that I've been trying to figure out is, should I just make it short so that it really only works on this engine, and then this flamethrower can't really be transferred to another engine where the coil is up top, and then it would be cleaner, or should I leave it a little bit longer? So I think what I'm going to do is leave them kind of like about this long, and I have the plus and the minus. So if I look here, the plus is on the right, and so the red one is going to go to that, and the minus is on the left. It's going to be something like that. So I think what I'm going to do is, you know, I'm just going to make it fairly short here. So I'm going to go somewhere around there and there. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cut these. This does not seem to cut very well. Okay, that one. Okay, now I just need to strip them. So I need to strip them with enough to kind of get into here. So I'm gonna probably strip about a little more than 1 centimeter off. Alright, and this one a little more than 1 centimeter. Okay, so I have these two both stripped. And now, just kind of keep all these together. These are not monofilament. Okay, so I have these two things, and they're basically the squish kind. So I'll put this in here all the way, and with my big pliers, I'm going to squish this. The other one, take this one, put it in here, and with the big pliers, squish that onto there. So let me make sure that these are not coming off. So I kind of tug on them a little bit. That is not coming off. Tug on this one. It's not coming off. And then what I can do is I'll just plug this one into the plus side, and this one into the minus side. And so that's how I got my Pertronix flamethrower, electronic ignition, with my two little wires going to the coil. Excellent.